Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the non-negotiables: a gigawatt-class power backend, superconducting quantum-coherent rings, and a cryogenic hold at millikelvin temperatures. Once those systems are online, you calibrate the ring array to support macroscopic quantum phase coherence and connect it to precision power modulation. Make sure to run spacetime metric simulations in parallel to predict stress points. Don't delay. Initialize control loops that translate simulated trajectories into actuator commands while continuously monitoring for decoherence. Now you move into integration. Fuse flux control hardware with 10 nanosecond resolution to the superconducting rings and route telemetry to a low-latency controller. You implement real-time quantum sensors to map metric perturbations and compare them against simulations. Once done, deploy layered feedback, thermal stabilization, quantum phase correction, and structural stress dampening to maintain coherence under load. Make sure to tune feedback gains slowly. Validate with incremental test pulses, and log every deviation for model updating and fault isolation. You proceed to final activation by performing staged electromagnetic and metric field ramps, increasing amplitude in controlled increments while watching coherence and curvature indicators. Once probe particles confirm stable path formation, you can sustain the field long enough to test transit hypotheses. Make sure to revalidate sensor alignment after each ramp. If you encounter sudden decoherence or uncontrolled oscillations, reduce flux amplitude by roughly 30%, pause, and perform a full sensor-synced recalibration before attempting the next ramp to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.